1 second, it's on. The next, silence. You press the button, it tries, it sputters, and then nothing. This isn't just a minor glitch. It's your Dyson V12 teetering on the edge. Are you ignoring the warning signs? We're talking about that frustrating turns on for a second, then stops problem. And it's usually caused by a failing motor. Ignoring these fleeting moments of power can lead to serious problems. Think about what's at risk. A failing motor means costly repairs, potentially voiding your warranty, and the possible need to replace the whole vacuum. That's not just money down the drain. It's also losing the convenience of your powerful cleaner. Let's be honest, a broken Dyson is a sad sight and can really ruin your whole day. Okay, maybe not that dramatic, but still, nobody wants a sad vacuum and a dirty house. Don't wait until it's too late. RoboCare specializes in Dyson repairs, especially those tricky V12s with motor issues. So, how do we at RoboCare tackle this motor malfunction? Our expert technicians carefully diagnose the problem by testing each part of the motor. We use specialized tools and techniques to get to the root of the issue. Once identified, we replace the faulty component with genuine parts and ensure that everything is precisely aligned. We pay attention to every detail, ensuring the motor is correctly installed and tested thoroughly before it goes back to you. It's not just about fixing a symptom, it's about restoring the full potential of your Dyson V12. We offer both our convenient Kota Damansara drop-off center or a smooth nationwide courier service. And now look at it go! With a fully repaired motor from RoboCare, your Dyson V12 is back to its old self, ready to tackle any mess. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I'm seriously so happy I found RoboCare. They didn't just fix my Dyson. They took all the stress out of the repair process. They saved me a ton of money, and they got my Dyson back in perfect working order. I would 100% recommend them to anyone with a faulty robot vacuum.
Getting your vacuum cleaner fixed doesn't have to be a hassle. RoboCare offers you convenience and expertise you can trust. Visit our website or call us today.